Assalamu alaikum, myself Azad from Review Junkie. How are you guys doing today? Well guys, this is Posh Malt by Fragrance World, and of course, yes, this is the clone or the dupe of Thierry Mugler Pure Malt. Soon the entire honest review video will be on my channel, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon button for honest review video. Fragrance World Posh Malt. Fragrance World Posh Malt. Okay, sorry, my bad. I was opening in a wrong way. Posh. And there you go. This is the bottle. Posh Malt by Fragrance World. The entire review will be soon on my channel. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon button. Allah Hafiz.